Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm going to do a different kind of a video. It is a book review. I found out this company on Instagram and wanted to see what are they providing in their books. So when I opened the package, I found out three different kind of books and two dry erase markers and one duster along with it. One was a blue marker and one was a black marker. So the first book we have over here is a letter writing book. It has different letters in it and few pictures along with their names, and a child can copy down and write it down. The second book we have over here is the words book, and it had different words in it and different pictures and different matching as well. It was extremely colorful for a child to get attracted to. So you'll see in a bit that how interesting this book is. So as you can see, there were different kind of pictures, dotted pictures, which a child traces it out and make pictures out of it. And as you can see that you can reuse that same page again. So whenever you start teaching your child writing at home, always start with the dotted lines. This book had all the dotted lines, wavy lines, zigzag lines, and also how to make a picture out of dotted lines. So it was extremely colorful and interesting and creative for a child. As you can see, there are different shapes also. See, this page was extremely interesting, that which helped him to make a face out of what he sees in the picture. Every dotted line was given differently. As you can see now that matching was also in these books. Color matching or identifying different things in it were given as well. These pictures helped him identify different body parts as well, and how many are there, that was even identified in this book. He matched colors. He also traced some words as well. The third book, numbers book. In this book there were different numbers, quantity of things, different shapes which has sides and corners, how many animals were there, how many things they have to count and write it down. It was interesting for him to count and write the numbers he could write. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.